So I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is actually a collaboration with Lisa. She also coordinated Sweet Girl Room OP by Angelic Pretty, and it's super cute. So definitely check out her video and channel right here. I will also leave a link down below in the description box as well. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!